In the case of the Honda BR-V with CVT transmission, filter replacement is a very important maintenance task that should generally be done every 40,000 to 60,000 kilometers. The Honda BR-V actually uses two filters in its transmission system. A primary filter located inside the oil pan. How to change the CVT transmission secondary fluid filter. How to change CVT transmission secondary filter. My channel has uploaded the video link. I will give it in the video description box. How to change the CVT transmission primary filter. The primary transmission filter is located inside the oil pan. Drain bolt. Unscrew this screw and drain the CVT transmission fluid. I have drained the CVT transmission fluid. Now I will remove the gearbox oil pan. Remove all 10mm screws from the gearbox oil pan. Now I will remove all the 10mm screws from the gearbox oil pan. Now I took out the gearbox oil pan. Look, this is the CVT transmission primary fluid filter. Now I will remove the CVT transmission primary fluid filter to change it. Now I will install this new CVT transmission filter. I will install the two screws of the transmission fluid filter. Remember, the secondary and primary filters of the HCF2 CVT transmission should be changed every 80,000 kilometers to 120,000 kilometers. Transmission fluid filter installation complete. Now I'm going to put the transmission oil pan in. So I wiped it down with a clean cloth. Now I will install the transmission oil pan. I will install all 10mm size screws on the transmission oil pan. I will tighten all the 10mm screws on the transmission oil pan so that the transmission fluid does not leak. The transmission oil pan installation is complete. Now I will install the CVT transmission fluid. To install CVT transmission fluid, remove the auto transmission filler cap. Now I will install CVT HCF2 transmission fluid. 1 bottle of CVT HCF2 transmission fluid contains 3.5 liters. I will first install a complete 3.5 liter CVT transmission fluid. I have installed CVT HCF2 transmission fluid 3.5 liters completely. How do I check the CVT transmission fluid level? So now I will enter the car and start the car engine. To check the CVT transmission fluid level after starting the car engine, change gear shifts every 5 seconds, such as PR and D, and keep the gear shift from D to N position. With the engine running, I'll put the gear shift in the N position. Now I'll go outside the car and check the transmission fluid level. Keep the car level. Remove the transmission fluid level check bolt. If CVT transmission fluid does not come out of the hole, your fluid level is low. Correct level. A thin, steady stream of fluid should trickling out of the hole. Once it drops to a slow drip, tighten the bolt. Thank you very much for watching the full video.